I really don't. I don't. You kept on saying that you killed your past self to become who you are today. But both of us know. You will deny it, but both of us know that there's some version of you deep down that wishes that you hadn't done this, that wishes that you hadn't faked your death, and that wishes that you didn't manipulate my friends and kill them, and do all these things to me, and wishes that they could go back. Thank you for being my friend.
Anytime, dude.